probably the biggest thing for me is when I was drinking and all that entails, because people don't want to know you when you're drinking, and also when you stop drinking, and they don't seem to understand why, and it's like, why don't you drink? Aren't you normal? So for me, yeah, I got it on both sides. When I was drinking and drinking too much, and now when I don't drink and people expect you to drink, which is quite a turnaround, but it can be quite off-putting, because people seem to think that you don't socialise or you don't know how to go and have a good time without alcohol. And it took a long time for me to, everybody around me, to realise that it's okay for them to drink, just not for me, because it's now by choice. So people used to think that, we can't go to a pub if I'm going to be there. I'm like, it's no problem for me. I'm not going to spontaneously combust if we go anywhere near a pub. It's just that if we're in there, I'll have a soft drink. So, yeah, it is a real learning curve. And again, not just for me, but for people who I associate with, especially family. Yeah, I was destitute at one point, and I had to pretty much drag myself back up. And it's really hard when some of the simple, most mundane things you're being barred from because, yes, I was sleeping on the streets, or you can't access that because we need an address. Well, yeah, I can't really say on the park bench. It doesn't have an address or a postcode, you need a postcode. So they find that you're constantly getting pushed back, and it doesn't matter because he's a nobody anyway. If you were a teacher or a lawyer or somebody with some status, then it'll be, we really need to help you. Here's me dressed in rags and really not feeling very well, and you're just going, go and sort that out first and then come back. But I'm ill today. I might not make it till tomorrow. And it's just desperation. It's always chasing your tail or trying to score a goal when they keep moving the goalposts. That's frustrating. And that's why people get annoyed and start to slate the system that is supposed to be there when we're most vulnerable. And if that's not stigma, I don't know what is.